Welcome back to Automotive World, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the automotive industry. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated commercial vehicles of the year, the 2026 ISUZU NPR Passenger Bus. If you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and comfortable people mover, this might just be the perfect option for you. The ISUZU NPR has long been known for its durability, practicality, and cost-effectiveness. Whether used for public transport, tourism, or corporate shuttles, this bus has earned a reputation for being a workhorse. But what does the 2026 model bring to the table? Let's break it down. Starting with the exterior, the new ISUZU NPR passenger bus maintains its signature boxy shape but now features a more modern and aerodynamic design. The front grille has been updated with a sleeker look, and the LED headlights provide better illumination while also adding a touch of sophistication. The bus is built on a robust chassis, ensuring it can handle various road conditions, from city streets to rough rural paths. Moving to the side profile, the large windows provide excellent visibility for passengers, creating a more open and comfortable atmosphere inside. The doors are designed for easy access, whether it's a single or double door configuration, making boarding and exiting hassle-free. ISUZU has also improved the aerodynamics slightly, which helps with fuel efficiency, a crucial factor for fleet operators. Under the hood, the 2026 ISUZU NPR passenger bus is powered by a reliable 5.2-liter turbo diesel engine. This engine delivers an impressive balance of power and fuel efficiency, ensuring that operators get the most out of every drop of fuel. It produces around 190 horsepower and 387 pound-feet of torque, which is more than enough for carrying a full load of passengers while maintaining smooth acceleration. The engine is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, designed for smoother gear shifts and better fuel economy. There's also a manual option available for markets that prefer a more hands-on driving experience. The bus remains rear-wheel drive, which provides better stability and control, especially when fully loaded. Fuel efficiency is one of the key highlights of this model. The improved aerodynamics, combined with ISUZU's advanced fuel management system, make this bus more economical than ever. Depending on load and driving conditions, the NPR passenger bus can achieve an estimated fuel economy of around 10 to 12 km per liter, making it a cost-effective choice for transport businesses. Stepping inside, the interior is designed with passenger comfort in mind. The cabin is spacious, offering seating configurations that can accommodate between 20 to 30 passengers. The seats are ergonomically designed with ample legroom and headroom, ensuring a comfortable ride even on long journeys. Air conditioning is available across all variants, with vents strategically placed to ensure even cooling throughout the cabin. The dashboard has been upgraded with a more modern design, featuring a digital instrument cluster and an infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity. This allows drivers to easily access important vehicle information while staying connected on the go. For safety, the 2026 ISUZU NPR passenger bus is equipped with several advanced features. Anti-lock braking system (ABS) and electronic brake force distribution (EBD) ensure that braking is both effective and balanced, even in emergency situations. Additionally, ISUZU has integrated traction control and stability control, which help maintain grip on slippery roads. One of the biggest improvements in the new model is the inclusion of driver assistance features. The bus now comes with lane departure warning and forward collision alert, making it safer for both drivers and passengers. Rear-view cameras and parking sensors are also available, making it easier to maneuver the vehicle in tight spaces. Maintenance and reliability have always been strong points for ISUZU, and the 2026 NPR passenger bus is no exception. The engine and transmission are built to last, with service intervals extended to reduce downtime. Spare parts are widely available, and ISUZU's global network ensures that service and repairs are hassle-free. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 ISUZU NPR passenger bus is positioned competitively in the market. While the exact price may vary depending on region and configuration, it remains one of the most cost-effective options in its segment. Given its durability, fuel efficiency, and low maintenance costs, it's a solid investment for transport operators looking for long-term profitability. Who is this bus for? If you're running a transportation business, whether for city commutes, school transport, or tourism, the ISUZU NPR is a smart choice. Its blend of reliability, comfort, and efficiency makes it a vehicle that can handle daily operations without breaking the bank. In conclusion, the 2026 ISUZU NPR Passenger Bus continues ISUZU's tradition of building dependable and efficient transport solutions. With its modern design, improved fuel efficiency, advanced safety features, and comfortable interior, it's a top contender in the passenger transport segment. What do you think about the 2026 ISUZU NPR Passenger Bus? Would you consider it for your business or personal use? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Automotive World, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.